Hey guys, welcome back to Region of Tech. Today's video is for anyone who ever wanted to install an app on iPhone or iPad that simply is not available on App Store. That could be a delisted game, a modified social media app, an emulator or other apps that Apple would normally never approve for App Store. In this video, I'll show you full setup process step by step, and the goal is simple: to let you know how actually this works, how to install apps, and what kinds of apps are available, and why so many users see it as a practical way to sideload apps on their iOS devices. So without any further delay, let's start this video. So the tool we are going to use in this process is FlekStore. It is the best sideloading platform for iOS devices and for the users who want access to apps outside the normal App Store. Also, instead of relying on traditional jailbreak setup, using FlekStore, you will be able to sideload apps on your iOS devices without jailbreak, without computers or cables. You will just need your iOS device and an active internet connection, which makes it convenient to install and manage apps on iOS devices. So now let's see how to install FlekStore on your device and set up it properly before installing any app. So for that, go to the flekstore.com or the direct link given in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will see interface like this. Here you will just have to click on get button in the top right corner. After that, follow the instruction given on the screen. Either you can use this app in your browser only, or you can add this to your home screen by following the instructions given here. But before adding to your home screen, make sure open as web app is enabled. I'll recommend you guys to add this to your home screen for easy access, and once it's added to your home screen, open it and allow all notifications. And there you will see a lot of apps that you can install directly from here. But before that, we need to set up it first. For that, just go to the devices section and click on add device. After that, click on allow and open your settings app. There you will see profile downloaded option at the top. Click on that and install it by entering your passcode here. After successful installation, you will get success page like this. Now open the FlekStore again, and this time in devices section you will see your device UDID, certificate and premium accesses option. But right now you may be seeing red cross instead of green tick here in front of certificate and premium. And before you try to install any app, the green tick in front of at least certificate is crucial. So to get green tick in front of certificate and premium, or in front of certificate, you will get three options under the certificate section. As I have already set up it, those options are not visible on my iPad right now. So let me show you those options on my iPhone instead. So first option you will get here is developer certificate and premium directly from the FlekStore. Second is using your Apple developer account if you have, and third one using your own certificate. So in case you don't have any Apple developer account or certificate, I'll recommend you guys to go with first option, getting developer certificate and premium directly from the FlekStore. For that, you will just have to select the plan you want to go with, enter your payment details and make the payment, and instantly you will have green tick in front of certificate and premium. And I am repeating again, green tick in front of certificate at least is crucial to install apps on your iOS devices. Without certificate, you won't be able to install apps. And premium is for the users who want access to the vast app library here and to access some advanced features, and that can also be purchased or renewed using your partner wallet, which is FlekStore referral system. So once you have green tick in front of certificate or premium both, you are ready to install any app that you want. Now let's move to the next topic. How can you install apps from here? For that, you will just have to select the app that you want to install from the categories listed here, or you can also use their sources option. So once you have selected the app, you may be prompted a message: LiveContainer is required to install apps. Just click on get button there and sign the LiveContainer and install it. After you have installed LiveContainer, open that and you will see FlekStore certificate imported pop up. Just click on OK and go to JIT less mode diagnose. There you should see yes and valid on every option, or you can also click on test JIT less mode to check if your certificate is working properly. You should see a success JIT less mode diagnose test pass. That means your certificate is great and you can start installing apps right away. Now to install apps, go to the browse option here, and there you will see the same app library which was available on FlekStore. And now from here you can install any app that you want from the listed category or the sources option. Even you can add your own source if you have. So to install apps, search for the app you want to install and then click on get button in front of that app. After that, your app will get installed without any issues and it will work perfectly. And in case you have an IPA file of any app and you want to install that, for that you will get plus icon in the top right corner in app section. Just click on that and import the IPA file of the app you have and your app will get installed here. Now to run and use this app, you will see a run button in front of app. Just click on that and your app will start running without any issues. But here you might face an issue like you are only able to open one app at a time. So to solve that, go to the LiveContainer settings and scroll down below and there you will see multitasking mode. Turn on the launch in multitask mode by default and select the native windows as an option. In virtual window, the app will open in the live container only, and in native windows it will open the app just like a normal app in native windows. As you can see here, it is working perfectly without any issues. And in case you want to add this app to your home screen, just long press on any app and then click on add to home screen and select the create app clip option. After that, select the icon style and then click on allow in the pop-up and open your settings app and install the downloaded profile by entering your passcode. And you will see the app icon is now available on your home screen and you can open the app right away by clicking on it, and it will work perfectly without any issues. And there are more advanced options in this app, like you can add your own tweaks to any app that you want, install duplicates and much more. So overall, FlekStore is a convenient way to install and manage apps on iOS devices outside the standard App Store model, while avoiding the classic jailbreak root, computer and cables problems. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications. The FlekStore link and other required links are given in the description and in the pinned comment as well. And don't forget to tell me in comments which app you would install first. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.